Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a keychain version of yourself using Gemini. Insert your image here and paste in your prompt as well. Ultra realistic 9x16 product photography, soft studio lighting with glossy highlights. The realistic action figure keychain with the character in the photo depicts is designed with realistic details and natural proportions. The figure has a soft and cheerful expression, a realistic facial sculpt, etc, etc. I will put the prompt in the description box down below. Select submit, and this is what it will look like at the end. Super cute. I think you can change the name of the keychain, maybe the font as well. But that is it. That is how you can turn yourself into a keychain using AI. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.